Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook not opening on iPhone. So, if Facebook isn't working on your device, here are several fixes you can try. So, fix number one, force close the Facebook app. So, the app may be frozen or stuck running in the background. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen or open the app switcher, find Facebook, and swipe it away to close it completely, just like so. Then reopen the app. So, in many cases, this is enough to fix minor loading issues. Now, fix number two is to switch your internet connection. So, if Facebook still isn't working, try changing your network. Close the app and open settings. Go to Wi Fi. Now, if you're connected to Wi Fi, you can turn it off and switch to mobile data. If you're already using mobile data, you can try connecting to Wi Fi instead, then just switch it. So, once you're done, open Facebook again and see if the issue is resolved. Fix number three is to clear the Facebook cache. So on Android, you can go to your settings, go to apps, go to Facebook, tap storage, then tap clear cache. This removes temporary files that may be causing the app to malfunction. If you're using an iPhone, don't worry, the next fixes apply to you as well. So fix number four, update the Facebook app. So open the App Store or the Google Play Store on Android, then search for Facebook. Now, if an update button appears, tap it to install the latest version. Older versions of the app can stop working properly after Facebook releases server-side changes. Once the update is complete, open Facebook and check if it's working. Next is to fix number five is to restart your device. A quick restart can clear temporary system glitches. You can turn your phone off, wait about 30 to 60 seconds, then turn it back on. After your device restarts, launch Facebook again and see if that works. Next is to open settings, then go to general, then go to iPhone storage, then look for Facebook and open it. Then click offload app once more. So once reinstall appears, click on that. So this will free up storage used by the app but keep its documents and data. So reinstall it to place back your data and just wait for it to finish. Now once it's finished, open Facebook again and see if that works. And that's it. Thank you for watching.